Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to share you how you can use Logseq, Obsidian and Notion all together. Why I need this video? Because I love all three applications. From last couple of years I am using the Notion. All my articles are inside Notion. And Notion has a very powerful tool for creating a databases and wonderful dashboards. More interestingly, it's on cloud. But if I go for Obsidian, it has very powerful feature for backlinking and creating a graph. It helped me to find my old articles with the help of graph. So if I want to go anywhere, and I can go, and backlinking is already available. All these articles are the same articles which I extracted from a Notion and import into Obsidian. That I also created that video and it's available on my YouTube channel. So these articles are the same, but this powerful feature is not available on Notion. But unfortunately, Obsidian is a file based, everything stored inside your system. So I want this feature along with the Notion. Go towards a Logseq. Logseq is a very powerful tool for creating outliners, or you can say logs, as some kind of a daily journal. So what I achieved, what I missed, what I need to improve, and what I did not improve. On daily basis I wrote inside my Logseq on a specific date, and against these logs it creates a very powerful graph feature. Problem with the Logseq that it is also on file based, create files in a markdown structure. For first of all, how we can do that? We can do that with the help of plugins. Both plugins are available, one in Logseq and second in Obsidian. So first I go for a Logseq. So first of all I go on a Notion, and here I go settings and a member, then I have a connection. Then here is the option develop or manage integration. I click on it. On a browser it opens create a new integration. I click here, and here I write consultant mindset, that is my workspace name. I click on save it, and show and copy. Right, I'm creating a new node, and here I paste the token, and here I create a right click full database, and then I create a new open, and here I copy link and copy paste here, and this is the page name, right? And before going to a Logseq, I am going to give access this page to a connection, and here you can see Logseq integration is available. I click on it and confirm it, right? So this page can be accessed through connection. Now I'm going back to Logseq, and here is option for plugins. Click on here, and then I go for a marketplace, search Notion, and here is a Notion sync. Click on install. Logseq plugin is installed. Click back, then I go again into plugins, and here is the Logseq. Here I click on open setting. So first I need to give a integration API token. So I copied here, that I copy into here, then this is the page name, not complete URL, copied it and paste here, close it, and I restart my log today, and here is the magic. / Notion, it asks me sync page to a Notion. Click on sync, page is saved successfully. When I go back to our Notion, and you can see 26 to 2024 log is here. It's synced from Logseq to Notion. Going back to again on a connection, settings and connections, and I'm going to create one more connection for Obsidian. And new connection, workspace is consultant, Obsidian dash integration, right? Saved, settings, show, copy, and here I paste a new connection, right? My connection is created, save, and go back to our Notion. Here I go back and I'm going to create one more open page database, backslash full database name, and I copy database link ID, and that is copy link. So here is one difference between Logseq and Obsidian. Obsidian plugin required a database link, not a page link. In Logseq I create a page link. That is depend on the plugin you are going to use. So, Obsidian articles, right? And again I go to connect and give the access to Obsidian integration. It asked me to confirm, so I confirmed it. Now I am in Obsidian. I click here, settings, browse, and search here Notion, and here is the share to Notion. Next I click on it, install this plugin, installed successfully, close, and here is share to Notion. Next here I activate it, click on options, plus here select the journal, disable the Notion tag sync. Here is the enter Notion API. So here I copied it, this secret, this password, and this is the database name I extracted. You can see copied it, and in Obsidian I add the database ID, and here I add Obsidian articles and articles, right? And click on this tick button, right? Close. I'm going to sync this article to Notion. So for this, when I configured the one plugin in Obsidian, this option is appeared here. When I open any article in Obsidian and click on this button, it asks me in which database you need to sync. I select the database name. You can see it says success takeaway. So when I go back my Notion, and you can see the article is there. When I click on it, open, my article is copied into Notion. Watching in this video, I share you how you can work with Notion along with Obsidian and Logseq. All these tools have their own strengths and features, and we can use them together. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.